I'm Patsy, and today I'm going to show you a recipe on how to use overripe bananas. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll need to grease and flour the bottom of a 9-inch loaf pan. Get 3 bananas, ripe ones, and mash them. In a large bowl, blend 2/3 cup sugar, 1/4 cup butter, softened at room temperature, 3 medium mashed ripe bananas, 1 tablespoon orange juice, and 1 egg. Beat for 1 minute at medium speed with a hand or stand mixer. Stir in the remaining ingredients, which includes 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 cup raisins, Now you'll pour the batter into your greased loaf pan. Bake for 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Immediately remove the bread from the pan and cool before serving.
Eat, Move, Save.